And me and my daughter, we haven't seen each other in a long run.
What's
Last time I saw her, I think she was 3 or 4.
Well.
Yeah, she's 10 now. She's 10 now.
Serious?
Last time I saw her, she was about 3 or 4.
What led to that, my man? I mean, 7 years.
I had to cut the relationship between me and the mother due to some cheating things that I found out. And you know what? I'm done with this. And she said, if it's over, then it's over between you and the child. Doesn't matter how happy you are in a relationship right now with your baby mama.
Sure.
Whatever you buy, keep the receipt by yourself.
Yeah.
I don't care how happy you are.
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm a receipts warm. They were used against me.
Oh.
This is what I've bought for the child.
Yeah, sure.
But they said, produce yours. I didn't have nothing.
We are recording this podcast from Indabila Lifestyle Corner. Shout out to Indabila for having us. On today's episode, we have Uthamsanqa Matia,
Yes,
aka Cadillac.
Yes,
Sparks Cadillac.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
Sparks
man. Good to have you, man.
Thank you very much for having me.
Hey, Tara, please tell us more about yourself, my man.
Okay, Uthamsanqa, also known as Sparks Cadillac, right? Straight from Life Oslo, right? I'm a lyricist. I'm currently recording a series that I'm working on. Okay. Yeah, so I have a printing that I'm busy with, and I work 9 to 5.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, and I'm a father to Bunolo.
Okay.
Yeah, son right there, young tall.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and also Amuhelang, yabo.
Yeah, sure.
So that's just me. Okay. That's just me. Straight up.
Yeah. So how old are your kids? Amuhelang unanga Bunolo.
Amo is 10 years now. Yeah. And then Bunolo is 1 year, 7 or 8, right there. Yeah.
Boys, girls?
Boy and a girl. Yeah. Girl, Amo. Yes. Then Bunolo Indlalifa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, that's him right there. G, yeah.
So how's your relationship with your kids, my man?
My relationship with my son, Ubunolo, is perfect.
Okay.
It's I don't know. It's one of those things though, when your child thinks that you can break through walls, you're Superman. Yeah. So me and Bunolo, we just have this bond.
Okay.
You know, like someone who stayed to Timina, I can set myself on fire just to keep him warm.
Yeah.
That's how much I got his back.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, me and him, I don't know how can I put it. Yeah, but you know, we like this, right?
Really
so
tight,
and me and my daughter, we haven't seen each other in a long run.
Is it?
Young tall.
What's
Last time I saw her, I think she was 3 or 4.
Well.
Yeah, she's 10 now. She's 10 now.
Serious?
Last time I saw her, she was about 3 or 4.
Okay.
You know.
What led to that, my man? I mean, 7 years of not seeing your child,
I think it probably came when I had to cut the relationship between me and the mother.
Okay.
Yeah, due to some cheating things that I found out. And you know what? I'm done with this. And she said, if it's over, then it's over between you and the child.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah, sure.
So, doesn't matter what you're going to do.
Yeah, sure.
And another thing, next.
Yeah, sure.
So it became, I think, it affected too much relationship. To the fact that I ended up deciding, you know what, let me just handle this the legal way.
Okay, yeah.
Once and for all.
Yeah.
Because even if you can see the photos of me and my daughter, you can see the bond.
Yeah,
there's a strong bond there. There's a very, very much strong bond.
Okay.
And it's just a pity it's to say it is a machita. Most especially when we figure in the or in. I think we could abastarteli straight than in Tombazana Maizovudi case.
Yeah,
Maizovudi case. I remember Mangzongena, I think it was at Children's Court in Boxback.
Okay.
I had a machita sevenza lapa angazi who came to me. Are you here for child maintenance? I'm like, no, that's not the case.
Yeah.
I'm far from that.
It's the other way around.
Mina ngizovula a case because I cannot see the child and the money get keep.
Yeah, sure.
You understand? So I think ukuthi kubhlungu ukuthi umkhulisa umntwana for that certain period. And then after that azo ungasamboni. Abuye futhi mhlambe sakana 10 or 12 or 20. You no longer be able how to be wrong.
Yeah,
you cannot
sure.
discipline that child.
Yeah, sure.
Because I feel right, so feeling like I'm being abused here.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. So I think it's so much drama that happened.
Okay.
There's so much that happened, my man.
Yeah.
To the effect I ended up having another child. And then when Amo comes back and say, Tama, your child went to a multiracial school, meaning he like us. What was the reason?
Yeah, sure.
He's got this, he's got that, meaning I don't have.
Yeah, sure.
Even now when people ask me, why do you always post your son? What about your daughter?
Yeah, sure.
Because I've saw the story.
Yeah.
That's true. But now it has to be televised.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now search and find out what's the real problem.
Yeah, sure.
Now you will know.
Yeah.
So that's just my story.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
So you mentioned, Kuti, there was a lot of drama in all of this, you know. Tell us more about the drama. What ensued? I mean, I know, Kuti, obviously you had to take the legal route, and did that work for you? And, you know, what happened in between?
I think Ukuthi Umthetho tried to meet me halfway. Okay. I won't lie.
Yeah.
Tried to meet me halfway to the effect of Ukuthi I involved in my social workers.
Okay.
They had to sit with me down like this.
Yeah, sure.
And they'll even see my phone. There was a profile picture of Mtwana.
Yeah, sure.
They'll show it.
Yeah.
Show it like that.
Yeah, sure.
So now we have to do what? Go to court. Come to court. Okay, what's the problem here? What's going on? Right? Mina, all I need is just to see the child. Even if it's on weekends, it's fine. Because we shall same neighborhood. So it's not like we are from Western Cape, Azengapa or wherever. You understand? KZN or wherever that might be. Yeah. From around Konala.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So now what happened was that now the reason why I cannot see the child or you make 18 moves because now I think they ended up losing the house. They went renting. Oh. So you will know about renting much. This, that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So now what happened here is that obviously when you arrive at court, you tell them the story, story.
Yeah.
And my advice before I go ahead is that doesn't matter how happy you are in a relationship right now with your baby mama.
Sure.
Whatever you buy, keep the receipt by yourself.
Yeah.
I don't care how happy you are.
Yeah, sure.
Because my receipts they were used against me.
Oh.
This is what I've bought for the child.
Yeah, sure.
But they said, produce yours. I didn't have nothing. Because
yeah, sure. Yeah, but it's a secret.
Yes, we were happy at that time.
Yeah.
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
So we were happy at that time.
Sure.
So now, came to the court which say, ever since the child was born, the mutagazi was telling was stock sweet. You know?
Yeah.
While I have proof that as it does not own a proof in my account because you just buy cash and do things cash.
Sure.
You know, and you keep my receipts, baby man.
Yeah, sure.
And which is a very big problem that we do as men.
Yeah.
Never do that. Never do that. Right? But to cut the long story, then what happened is we went to court, everything was fine. Then they said, okay, you know what? You will see the child. And then this is the amount that you're going to pay.
Okay.
For the child. I'm like, okay, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
Now she said, I think at that time they charged me, it was not a lot. I think they said, it's 1,000 a month. Okay. And I said, okay, that's not a problem. I said, okay, 1,000 is fine. Because I think it can't be compared to now.
Yeah.
And I will accept, but now we're paying even more. I want sharp. So what happened was she wants 1,000, it's fine. Okay, here's 1,000. I do get to that's okay, magistrate, I'll put 500 on top. I'm the one who's saying that.
Yeah,
I'll do that. It's not a problem.
Yeah.
So it's fine. Then I do that. But okay, end of this month, send money about.
Sure.
There's no child. Done against. Two, another month, send money about. I'm done against.
Yeah.
You know what's going on?
Yeah.
I think it was the third month or only the second month. I went back to court. I say, magistrate, phela manje lo muntu mina yakhipha imali mntana akezi.
Mawumthinta uthini ukuthi mfethu manje umntwana umlate.
Never answer my calls. And as soon as ukufona nge-private azwa ukuthi uwe drop before. So, okay, now what's the case here? What I'm going to do? Ngibuyele court me.
Yeah.
And I explained to them. By the case, I think bamnika amaphepha ukuthi aze court, and she did come to court. This time uva no mama ke umama wesonto yabo. Yeah, they're coming to court. Yeah, so manje sengislam manje ngisanika imali kanje sengishanga accounts, we have proof.
Yeah, sure.
Yabo.
Sure.
So manje ngiphethe proof lapha.
Yeah.
Now I want to see the child. I'm fighting for the child.
Yeah.
Arrive at court. Now figure court. They asked me a question there. There was no one at court. It's only me, the magistrate, obviously Bonabutu, Odedlake, right? And then the people who do interpretation and everything by interpreter. So then they asked me, did you send cash? And I said, yes, I have proof.
Yeah.
Then they asked the baby mother, did he send money? He said, yes, he did send money.
Yeah.
Why am
Yeah.
And then the baby mother said, the reason why ngabona ngomntana because we keep imali, makaqeda we keep ufike endlini asihlalise sonke phansi athathe imali back. And at that time they're implementing this thing, gender-based violence. And the magistrate is female.
Sure.
I don't know how to defend myself. Angiyazi that. And if that was the case, I would have been arrested.
Yeah, sure.
And mhlawumbe netime alada kube linkwatelo or something.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Sure, yeah.
So it didn't, something like that never happened. Magistrate was on me, on my case. Don't go to somebody's house. I'm like, I didn't do this thing.
Yeah, sure.
And I don't even have a proof of I was at work or not because but except so.
Yeah.
That's how this smart they are.
Yeah, sure.
So I never to see the child, then proceeded with the court case again.
Yeah.
Told her to bring the child.
Yeah, sure.
I'm late. Then they opened a warrant of arrest.
Serious? Against you?
Warrant of arrest? No, I did open a warrant of arrest.
Okay.
Actually, the court gave me the warrant of arrest for not attending the court. The mother not attending a court. Yeah, so they have to give a warrant of arrest.
Yeah, sure.
So now that's me going because I don't know where she stays now.
Yeah, sure.
Meaning it's Spanning Sack. I know where she works. She's in Joburg. I work in Joburg. So Nzoya Khan.
Yeah.
So as soon as I arrived there, Ganti Segayile in a court or and imagine put warrant of arrest. The magistrate, nobody calls me say I sasebenzi le warrant.
Yeah.
Nobody's calling me, nothing. Meng figure la pana tshela ukuthi makhatana lo muntu phela ngisana choice mina. And it happens with keep le pepe peki. Nathi no mina ngibuyile court ngixolisile ngokungeze court. Makhatata mfa asiyeke lapha.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Then that was it. Then later that Friday I meet her. Fethu kanti when are you going to come to court? Please, this court is coming. Do come to court. Then it's fine.
Yeah.
Then I go have 1-2 drinks. When I arrive home, I hear police were looking for me. Police looking for me. I'll check them. Mengbe Sevens in Saturday.
Sure.
I go. No, it was on Thursday. So on Friday, Mengbe Sevens in Klige on the police station.
Sure.
Say, hey guys, I hear you looking for me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah.
But what's your name? Give them my name. But hey, sabonga who's letter? Umuntu is two who's letter. See my signal.
Yeah, boss.
I'm good now. Saying your boss, you're like I'm kunuk much.
Yeah.
What is the case? It's assault and telephone. And what was the third one? I don't know. There were 3 charges.
Yeah.
How? Njan much.
Yeah.
Sharp. Then I go to was this Ramkunupi for the whole weekend. Then Monday I sang in near court. Yeah, I only went to court on Tuesday.
Okay.
Went to court on Tuesday. Fortunate enough, that warrant of arrest that I have is still in my bag.
Oh yeah.
So I pull up the warrant of arrest. I said, magistrate, can I talk? They gave me 500 bail. They said, go to Prospect prison. That's when I raised my hand. I said, no. How come I'm the one who have to be arrested? Here's the warrant of arrest. Yeah, for her. I'm busy fighting this thing. And they never told me this thing with Isa Sebens. And let me see that.
Yeah.
The magistrate saw that and said, okay, cool. What's going to happen now is that I cancel the 500 bail. You're going to attend no to get date so. But for now, don't come close to her. Don't even go see the kid.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Yeah,
Which was okay, was honest, was just good enough. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do that.
Yeah.
I went back home. Right? And I had a state lawyer. So then I said, you know what? Call MTN, because if I call MTN, they will tell you, we can't give you somebody's information, phone, what.
Yeah,
so the state lawyer did do that. I said, my number. When you say somebody stole my phone, my number with phone.
Yeah, sure.
So she's stupid enough to write my number and this.
Yeah.
So when they call MTN, I'm a lawyer and what, to find out that number does not exist on MTN.
Yeah, sure.
Young Toy. Does not exist in MTN. I got Was this thing when somebody akshayile or assault you with police station? You didn't go to the doctor with proof.
Sure. Yeah, doctor's report.
That's how I was found not guilty.
Okay.
I was told to open a case. As I didn't even open a case because we made a crash in So I think the whole situation just affected me to the fact that even my grandmother told me that, you know what, stop ukulova emsebenzini uye court miyekele intombazana uzobuya.
Yeah, sure.
Mntana wakho intombazana is going to come back.
Yeah, sure.
That's when I started to relax.
Yeah, sure.
And it happened with my grandmother dies and I need the child to come because remember ngikhule isikhathi encane. And I had to tell the baby mother ngicela ulethe umntwana for a funeral.
Sure.
She said, "Hey wena faka 500 ngizomletha."
Hayi wena.
I still have that proof ku-ABSA. You see how many years back I still have app ABSA. It still shows that 500 ngayithumela kuye.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I sent 500 lethe umntwana. And yes. Wamletha.
Yeah.
I relax at that time because when I'm around my kids I don't touch alcohol at all.
Yeah.
Until bahamba then I got my own space.
Yeah.
And that's just that. So I was not drinking, I was not doing nothing, chilling there. So I think ukuthi ungipunishe. I think the pain is more. I don't know how to explain it. It's really pain and my period pain, maybe. If I can put it like that. So it's deep, sharp. So I think pain it goes through the heart.
Yeah.
Blind. There's so many things that happen.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
All right. And how is that? I mean, right now. Also Nenyingosi, right?
Yes.
A few years later,
Bunolo. Yeah.
I see he even brings a smile.
That's she's boy right there. Yeah.
So, I mean, that experience, do you think has it affected how you, raise Bunolo or the relationship that you have no Bunolo?
I think manje ingifundise something which has in nayindaba. Hamba uhlawula lo mntwana. Ube wakho ube nama right yonke into. Right? And which is what obviously I'm working on, right? And another thing was that it taught me a lot of things ukuthi I had to question the baby mother. Before everything ends. So she did let me know whatever happens between me and now, I'll never deny you access to Bunolo. I will never do that. Not because she's not working or what, maybe she's depending financially from me. That's not the case. Okay, I don't know what she's thinking, but anytime I need the kid, I see the kid. Anytime I want the kid, I get the kid. So she really does give me that time, Bunolo, and I'm very much grateful. I'm very much grateful for that.
Okay, and then I wanted to ask Uguti, since right, you haven't seen her in such a long time. Are you willing to, sort of pursue that route, making sure Uguti manje? I mean, it's been a long time, Jayam. I mean, and I feel Uguti, in as much as you have a relationship, no Bunolo, maybe you should pursue having a relationship, no
Yeah, for me to see Amo and how grown she is, I have to sneak in her mother's Facebook account.
Okay.
And download photos. She's grown.
Yeah.
But download photos. You know how painful it is?
Yeah, sure.
Download and everything. So I remember I received a call from Siswa Siswada. She called me and said, Fetu, you know what? I am Ulontuza. Ukhuluma voice encane, right? This is Amuhelang. I said, nah, this can't be. I know she talks now. I said, nah, God, this can't be. I know, I'm just playing. Man. I hung up the phone because they still think this is a joke. Yeah. I remember I'll get WhatsApp text. Hi, this is Ulontuza. Amuhelang. But you want to type in English. Yes. The voice note, yes, that's hers.
Yeah, sure.
You can okay, I know it. But I'm a text. I want to go to mama go text her.
Yeah,
and
sure.
She will ask me for that. It's okay, baby girl, take. But I know Uti is not for umntwana this thing.
Sure.
Yo mama, so pursuing umntwana Uti as in akabuya ayenzeni. I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
The mother will come and say, please, your daughter needs you. Do the right thing. Right?
Yeah.
How can someone, a woman with 2 kids, no father, Then we have Ubunolo, Amuhelang. We have Amuhelang now, Unobaba, but you're by this time. You do not want me to put my daughter on medical aid.
Yes.
But you claim that's my daughter. Bangagabazale who happy to have that medical aid access.
Yeah.
When you get clinic.
Yeah, sure.
So it raised eyebrows would say, hey, why she treat me like I'm not the father, man?
Yeah.
Maybe she Angfuna spend it too much. The day I found that it's not his kid. Hey, who's so sure?
Yeah, sure.
But these things come young tall. But if family want to see the child, so it kind of like confuses a lot of things.
Sure.
Right? It kind of confuses a lot of things. So what I'm saying is, if she's ready, or she knows who she is, if she think I'm fit, I can take Kuluma. I have my side of the story.
Sure.
She have all the rights to DM you and say, I have my side of the story.
Yeah, sure.
I have my own side of the story, and I will speak my own side of the story.
Yeah.
With proof, of course. Everything I'm saying here, I have proof.
Okay.
Right? For the fact that even Eclix, when I used to buy Krizani Eclix, there was this lady's always there. The staff knows me already. Yeah,
sure.
You understand? But at court, was stock sweet from birth.
Yeah,
So to me, it's like, let me just be easy. I'll wait for her.
Yeah.
So I will wait for her to bring the child, and me and the child, we're going to sit down and talk.
Yeah.
That's when we're going to have that conversation. Who doesn't? It's fine. Because if you can go to Bospec, to Children's Court right now, usangena kunuya man's plan.
Yeah, sure.
Amantombazana lapha.
Yeah.
Azofuna imali.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Amachita less.
Yeah.
Because it's fella phakathi. Anye ngecourt, it's fine.
That's the thing.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
So my biggest mistake was that as soon as ngibona ukuthi ayikho lento child support, because angimboni umntwana, then I stopped keeping imali.
Keeping you. Yeah.
Because angimboni.
Yeah.
Do you believe that I had to buy a tablet when she was 4?
Come on.
The mother said, buy I think it was 3 or 4, said, buy a tablet for umntwana.
Yeah.
I bought a tablet. When I say MTN taxi rank, now go put the same tablet, blue one, but my umntwana we pull it. I told the magistrate.
Yo.
So I was being played in so many ways.
Yeah.
How can, we put it still new.
Yeah, sure.
But I made MTN taxi rank, I'm going home, now go put the same tablet.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So too many things that actually happened. Now you're born out. I've been played.
Yeah.
I've been played. Because this is the very first time people who know my daughter, even family, it's the first time they know the truth.
Yeah, sure.
Because it's all about things didn't work out.
Yeah. Yeah.
But they don't know what I've went through a lot of things.
Yeah.
Me being in what's this? Nobody knew I was there. And I was supposed to attend work. My phone is dead. Nobody knows where I was. Yeah. Nobody knows.
We are Tuesday.
We are saying we are Tuesday.
Yeah.
And the email in the police station, I said, guys, I heard you looking for me. Because I know I didn't commit no crime.
Yeah, sure.
The only crime I've committed maybe was to ask the Lord to help me with the child.
Yeah, sure.
If that is a crime.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying basically is that this whole situation, Blam, it's very much painful to the fact that and maninga machita were going through the same thing. Just that Batulile.
Yeah.
Batulile. And anytime the mother wants to talk to me, I'm not going to fight anymore.
Yeah, sure.
Even my grandmother told me, relax.
Yeah,
the child will come back.
Yeah, sure.
And I took the words. I'm like, okay, I'm going to relax and be myself.
Yeah, sure.
I post my son now and then. And I know she knows what now was.
Yeah, sure.
I know she's probably viewing the same things. I'm probably viewing the same way as I'm viewing her Facebook. But I'm not viewing her like I'm stalking my ex or what. No, I'm checking only the kids.
Yeah.
Download photos of Tuan.
Yeah, sure.
That's the only thing that I'm doing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, sure.
So that's just how it is. It's very much painful though.
Yeah,
it's very much painful.
Yeah.
Because again, I think even network, they say, why you always post your child? I will post it, I'm sure by Mars.
Yeah, Mars.
By Mars, they know it.
Yeah, sure.
So, when's the galan? See the balega bantwana, ngomasin nabanya bantwana. About those in but let me just keep quiet and be myself.
No?
Simple as that.
I think it's controversial.
Sure.
In closing, right?
Okay.
Hasn't that thing, I mean, especially the way she has treated you, hasn't that thing created any doubt in your mind?
Doubts about
your child?
No, I think there are 50-50, ne?
Yeah.
There's one side of me that tells me, because every time when famous look at my umntwana, I said, this one is Antwana wala. Young tall, sharp. Right? And ukumuti nikaba ya kiseka.
Yeah.
And there's another side that say umama never treat a real father like this.
Yeah,
it's
sure.
impossible.
Yeah, sure.
It's so impossible.
That's the thing, yeah.
And yeah, I'm afraid to, even if you find out Gucci, the only thing I'm fighting for, okay, Steve Kate. I don't know who's there with Steve Kate.
Yeah.
I've never seen Steve Kate. Sengos.
Yeah.
And amanyama policies mawavula afuna Steve Kate somntwana. And kusasa when I die, umntwana uzobenefita now because uyobhaliwe la.
Yeah, sure.
Lawyer uzobhayisela.
Yeah, sure.
So I do have 50-50, but if that is the case, I'm willing to go all out and I mean, if you go to Albertine Private Hospital, it's only about 3K DNA test.
Yeah, sure.
You know,
go
all out.
Yeah, and then
and do everything, and then you make it up to the child.
Yeah, sure.
Young Tola, because I think before this whole thing that made me stop, Uguti, corner that one Saturday, I think I said at 3 or so, ne? That one weekend. Usiswa khona ye waletha umntwana. I forgot this part. Maga letha umntwana okay now. Ngisho phela sesibuye court and everything. Now umntwana nyambona. Sharp. Ahag umntwana ay sharp moja. Okay nyabonga for letha umntwana ngivula igate. Umntwana akafuna ungena. Ubheka phansi. Because of izinto bazikhuluma endlini eduze komntwana. Now they make you an animal.
Yeah, sure.
Uyangithola. So umntwana manje uyasaba ke manje. While you have photos, need to pay and everything, but all of a sudden, Mtwana is changing. Now you are the enemy. I have people who send me my inboxes who are very close to her and tell me, but you know what, Tina, we can't tell you this thing because this person is the only one who's working. So if we betray her, we're gonna get hungry.
Sure. So,
and if Emilia was on my side, because they knew the things that I'm capable of doing, like supporting and everything. Just that and the reason why I broke off the relationship is because there is this guy who come to my place every time as around 300 a school fees. I mean a transport. A crash. Only to find out, don't know this. Then I found out and I broke off the relationship.
Yeah, sure.
And this guy I'm paying every month, come to market. Month end, so collect. Can't they're having a secret relationship. And how did I find out? I'm sleeping on, I charge my phone. Keep your phone there, okay, boom, I go to your phone. Man, it's text messages.
Yeah, no doubt.
And then this guy is fighting for PVT. Where's my PVT?
Yeah.
So obviously you have to break everything. Now your punishment we born in us. That's how painful it is. So you had to back punish a plan. And yes, it did work. It did punish me. It did punish me. That's just that.
Yeah, no, man. Yeah, thanks for sharing, my man. That's quite deep,
Yeah, it is deep. It is deep. I want to say, but what I'm gonna say, I mean, is that I'm ready for whatever.
Yeah, sure.
I'm ready to take off where I left off. I'm ready to take over where I left off. I'm not running away from no one.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not running away from anything. I'm ready for, if child is ready to part of my life, let me not say the child, say the mother, if it's ready to make the child part of my life, then I'm good.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorted out.
Yeah.
So that's just my story there. So I'm not scared about anything else.
All right, my man.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for sharing.
Thanks to you, my man. Thanks to you.
And thanks for tuning in. Story Saga Thamsanqa. In closing, I just want to say, Bafethu, let's seek legal advice where possible. Let's seek help. We're seeing our failing, our party, and talk about these things. And this goes both ways. It's not just amateur pair. Even the ladies do get affected in some way or another. So, Sibonga kakhulu ngoThamsanqa for being so brave and sharing his story with us. Sharp.
Thank you very much.